If you do not see the mouse cursor on your computer, see how to fix it. Press Wing key plus S key. Now type Device Manager in the search bar. Then press Enter. Then press Tab. Now press down arrow key. After selecting mice and other pointing devices, then press right arrow. Now press down arrow key. Now press Shift plus F10. Now press down arrow key. Then press Enter. Now press down arrow key. Then press Enter. Then press Enter. Then press Tab. Then press Enter. Then press Tab. Then press Enter. Hopefully your problem has been solved. Restart your computer once.